Hello again, everyone. Good day. Today we're going to talk about the definition of 21st century literacies. We'll be focusing two of them, which are the media literacy and the digital literacy. Let's start off with media literacy, which is defined as an umbrella term that encompasses a variety of information and approaches, such as the verification of information and knowing whether the source of the information is right or wrong. It is also an essential tool for students to think critically as it helps them comprehend beyond what they see and they just read on media. It is also essential to the health and well-being of students because it helps them know whether the news that they see on media should be absorbed or not. It also helps them distinguish if it's healthy or not. But for us to know more about this topic, I will now give the floor to Mr. Joseph Irvin Javierto for him to discuss further on this topic. Take it away, Irvin.
Thank you, Mr. Deutsche Rondina. Here is the concept map of media literacy. Though we've seen and heard many attributes about media literacy and how useful it is in nurturing our 21st century skills, the media can entertain and inform us in positive ways. However, since most children aren't taught to use media thoughtfully, many media messages contribute to public health issues such as obesity, bullying and aggression, low self-esteem, depression, negative body image, risky sexual behavior, and substance abuse, among other problems. I will now give the floor to Ms. Marjorie Demecillo to expound more about media literacy.
Thank you, Mr. Javierto. So let's proceed to what literacy can do for us. Media literacy is essential because it helps people understand the messages that are being communicated. So first, this expands the concept of literacy. As today's messages come in many forms, and literacy can no longer refer simply to the ability to read and write. Second, this offers a solution to public health issues such as body image issues and substance use, exacerbated by toxic media messages. The third empowers all people to engage in a global media environment, for media literacy is increasingly relevant because knowledge is now primarily transferred through digital technologies. Individuals who are media literate are able to engage and participate at every level of public life from social world, and individuals who are not equipped with this are left isolated and vulnerable. So the next slide will be discussed by Ella Timtim.
What is digital literacy? This refers to a particular set of competencies that allow us to take part in the digital world. Generally, people learn and work in a society where digital technologies are used for communication and information access. To be digitally literate, it requires the ability to navigate, evaluate, and create using all forms of digital technologies. Technology has become a commonplace where information is one click away, but this information needs to be assessed to determine if it's credible to bring into physical life. Lastly, it ensures that students also become digital citizens, not only digital natives. For instance, if you saw a random post on Facebook, would you act similarly? Obviously not. A digital citizen is someone who participates in online communities in a morally and respectfully appropriate manner. You understand your obligations when using digital media, so before posting, you consider how your actions will impact you, the individuals you know, and the larger online community.
So to start, let's move forward to critical thinking. Being able to evaluate information and arguments, identify patterns and connections, and construct meaningful knowledge and apply it to the real world. Next is collaboration and creativity. It is the ability to work collaboratively with others with strong interpersonal and team-related skills, and it is also being able to weigh up opportunities in an entrepreneurial manner and ask the right questions to generate new ideas. Next is online safety skills. Being safe online means that you have the knowledge to identify the potential risks and are conscious of your personal security while browsing, sharing, or surfing the internet. Second to the last is cultural and social understanding. It is the ability to consider issues and solve complex problems based on deep understanding of diverse values and worldview. Lastly is proficient communicator. Being able to communicate effectively through a variety of methods and tools to a range of different audiences. So to discuss further, let me call on Miss Jeremae Guzman.
Thank you, Miss. So, in today's digital world, nearly every career requires digital communication at some point. So, equipping students with these skills may avail these following benefits that digital literacy brings, or why does digital literacy matters. So first, it allows us to create more opportunities, especially in employment, because possessing this capability is what the world of employment is needing today. It is very vital for it. It helps for our work to be more efficient and productive. Second, it keeps us safe and aware of online safety and communication etiquette, where it ensures that students to think critically, behave safely, and participate responsibly in the digital world. And lastly, it helps us thrive and stay competent in the modern digital world. Such like children's imaginations thrive and grow when exposed to technological innovations is like preparing them for the world of the future. That's why digital literacy is everything to students today. It is a way of harnessing new ways of interacting and learning. And that brings us to the end of our discussion. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. Bye!